In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom no audio. If you can't hear anything in a Zoom meeting, follow along and we'll get your sound back step by step. First, make sure you're actually inside the Zoom meeting. Open Zoom, join with your meeting link or ID, and wait until you're in the meeting room. You need to be in the meeting to see the audio controls and make the changes we'll cover. If you're stuck in a waiting room, hang tight until you're admitted. Once you're in, look for the audio prompt. If you see a button that says Join Audio, click it and choose Computer Audio. This tells Zoom to use your device's speakers instead of trying to call in by phone or staying disconnected. If you already see a microphone icon that says Unmute, you're connected to audio. If not, select Join with Computer Audio to connect sound to your computer or device. Next, open Zoom's audio settings and pick the correct speaker. You can do this by clicking the small arrow next to the microphone icon and choosing Audio Settings. In the speaker section, select the output you actually want to use, like your built-in speakers, a USB headset, or a monitor with speakers. If you're unsure, switch between options until you hear the right one. Use the test button inside Zoom to play a sample sound and confirm you've got the correct device selected. Now check your device's volume. Turn up your system volume using your keyboard or the volume icon on your computer or tablet. Make sure you're not muted at the system level, and verify that any physical mute switches on keyboards or headsets aren't engaged. Zoom uses your device's audio, so if the device is muted or very low, you won't hear anything even with the right speaker selected. If you're not using a wireless headset, temporarily turn off Bluetooth. Sometimes your audio gets routed to a nearby Bluetooth device you're not actively using, which makes it seem like there's no sound. Switching Bluetooth off forces your computer to use its built-in speakers or your wired device, which often fixes silent audio immediately. Finally, if you still can't hear anything, restart Zoom and rejoin the meeting. Leave the meeting. Fully quit the Zoom application so it's not running in the background, then reopen Zoom and join again. A quick restart clears minor glitches and refreshes your audio connection. By joining the meeting, connect